Hello, my friend. My name is Anton from Koneluk.com, and I'm happy to introduce a new series of the blog post and video post all together on our website. So this new series is called Code Express, and in this series we explain for the network engineers how to start coding with the Python. The video series are accompanied with a traditional blog post. We would provide some code snippets or examples how dealing with this or that part of the Python with a focus on the networking. And for those who likes videos more than a text, we will be creating such videos. So each and every blog post will be accompanied by videos, and we hope that you will help this video blog or traditional blog helpful for you to extend your capabilities in the world of future where Python and Go and Ansible and other scripting or programming capabilities getting more and more important for traditional network engineers. See you in this blog series. We'll get started.